Dan again with another quick clip on custom reporting. And so here in this environment, you'll see that we're going to look at refunds. Refund is going to be a topic of understanding why a product is brought back and how we can go ahead and utilize that information to make better decisions within our business. So we're going to look at meat department, and I've already ran this report to go ahead and kind of see what transactions are populating. So we'll go over here to the results. And here, looking at these transactions, I'm going to just kind of pick a couple. We'll just, whatever this top one is real fast. Oh, bacon. Who doesn't love bacon, right? But it was refunds. So kind of the question here might be is understanding, is there an issue with our coolers? Is there an issue with the product? Because we want to ensure that when we're selling meat that, it's not returned because we can't sell it again once it's already lost cold chain. So that might be one thing to go ahead and kind of look at, is understanding why that item was actually brought back. See if there's any others real quick. Kind of stands out. Let's see what this one is. That's for cash. Some shrimp as well. So definitely spending the time to go ahead and kind of look at transactions where it involves refunds. And it could be with meat. And another one could be alcohol. Think about your alcohol, looking at it. Also look at tobacco. Some of these other areas that are typically not returned, to see why are they being returned, and understanding what can you do in the future to ensure that those purchases remain top line sales for you guys and not a liability coming back as a refund. Hope you enjoyed this. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below and contact us anytime. Thank you.